Hey, this is Josh. Welcome back to the channel. Savings Highway Global. And why didn't I know about this earlier? It's got massive savings for anybody to sign up. You can look at it kind of like an online Sam's Club, but way more savings. It also gives you the opportunity to make an enormous amount of money. So in this mini course, it's going to be a playlist. So you're going to want to subscribe to this channel, going to click the bell icon, like and comment, but you're also going to want to save this playlist because I'm going to show you every single step that I take as I promote Savings Highway Global. It's a $20 business opportunity at the lower level where people are making or spending $20 a month to get into this program, make these thousands of dollars of savings, and then make thousands of dollars. If you have 1 or 2 hours a day to create and to put the work in, then you can be doing this just like the thousands of others who are making thousands of dollars. It's an affiliate marketing and an MLM combo. Yes, MLM. Harvard is teaching people how to start MLMs. It's not a bad thing. Get over yourself. Let's go make some money. Like I said, this is going to be a series. I'm going to be teaching you and showing you step by step what I'm doing to be making $100,000 a year with this new promotion. I am at this point of learning about this that I might just stop promoting anything else as an affiliate marketer and just focus on this. I mean, how much money does a guy need to make? So I'm going to show you step by step, and I'm going to show you the back office. I'm going to show you everything because this is the intro video to Savings Highway Global. If you're an affiliate marketer, it's time to switch over. If you're just a buyer, a consumer, it's time to hop in. $20 a month to be saving. I just saved $600 on my car and home insurance, just like that. And I'm going to show you all these things. So here's the savings part. So there's a savings part and then a make money online part. So here we go. This is a savings, amazing savings, and these change all the time. 35% off Dell. H&R Block, new cars, we've got budget, we've got, I mean, just an enormous amount, HP. But here's when you first sign in, you're going to want to hop into the auto insurance and home insurance. Now, I can't promise you you're going to save any money. That's just a disclaimer. But I did, and I thought I had a very, very low program, a low insurance thing anyways. So I can't promise that, and they can't either, but that's just a disclaimer. So let's get into, you'll just click this, and you'll go into it, and you'll talk to a representative, and through Savings Highway Global, they've got deals all over the country, all over the world, to be helping you save money like crazy. So for $20 a month, is it worth saving $600 a year? Yeah, just with that. That's just the lower level. All right, so discount marketplace. Let's go everyday savings. Let's just look at some more of these. 40% off. Oh, 50% off your first box of HelloFresh. As you can see, HelloFresh isn't old. They're always bringing in new companies. Costco, Credible, $750 bonus. Dog TV. Let's look at some that I know that everyone's gonna. Oh, Uber Eats. Let's go Target. Yesterday they had a 75% off. Okay, so today it's just 25% off and 25% off. Jiffy Lube, 15. iMed Vision, 5% off annual plans. Let's go with car. I don't know. Penske truck rental. I mean, they've got everything. All right, let's do Nike. I don't know. What do you guys like? 10% off, 10% off. I don't know. Let's just go back to the main place because I want to just show you some really, really cool things. So discount marketplace. Local deals. I didn't even see that. Sam's Club. It's funny because this is essentially an online sales club. Everyday savings. Let's do travel. Why not? One of the people who are in the team, which I'm going to show you in a little bit here, one of the people on the team just got like $91 off a flight, and it was like day of. It's big stuff. So let's go travel. All right. Let's go vacation packages. Why not? 35% off or more. Okay. Let's go down and see what else we got. Verbo. That's a big one now. Let's do auto. Why not? Car buying. Is there anything in car buying today? Cool. Yeah. Look at this. 50% off gift card, my auto loan, thousands, average savings. Ooh, we know what that is. Up to $1,500 off. Dodge, $500 off. Additional $500 off with Ram. Chrysler, $500 off. Jeep, $500 off. Used cars, $1,000 off used cars. I'll probably be using that one pretty soon. Honda, $1,800 off. Come on, guys. if you're looking for a new car, this would just be worth it. Ford, $2,300 average savings. And this is only through Savings Highway Global, guys. This is the online Sam's Club for all. So that's like just a tip of the iceberg with savings. I wonder if I should start saving some favorites. Let's just check out local deals, just see what this is. Planet Fitness, 50% off. SunPower, $1,000 solar rebate. And with the rebate that the government's giving you too, that's a huge deal. Look at this. Rocket Mortgage, $2,000 off closing costs. So if you're selling your house or I mean, come on, guys. I got to start doing some more research into this. This is driving me crazy. So that's the savings portion. So you're going to be saving, as you saw, thousands of dollars. And it's just, there's just so much. I wish I could just take more time and go through this whole thing with you. But now let's talk about making money. But before we talk about making money, I want to just say this line. It pays to be a member. Okay, it pays to be a member. So at the $20, you're going to get all that. And there's another level that's called Platinum, where you're going to be getting that plus a lot more, like dental. I mean, just so much. I need to just have them explain it to you. So that's just the savings. So as an affiliate marketer, if you're having a hard time finding people who are in subscription services so you can get that recurring income, and then just to get a sale. Right? A lot of people will buy something once, and then they're in your funnel. You'll get them into your emails, and they might buy another product. But with this, you're selling and you're making a monthly recurring income as long as they're in this. And who's going to leave? There's you're literally saving thousands of dollars every single year. So the amount of retention that you're going to have with your referrals are going to be huge. So let's get in. Okay, so this is one of the funnels. This is the most convertible. I can't think of the word right now. I'm still sick. I'm still hazy, but I had to get on here and do this because I'm really excited. But essentially, this whole system is literally just a copy and paste. If you joined my team, I'm with a team of some of the greatest affiliate marketers out there. This is very, very powerful. And so with our team, we have actually created a whole system to promote Savings Highway Global. And it's actually the highest and fastest growing group who has been promoting this process. One of the guys in 2 months made $24,000, and that's not just a one-time deal. We have to remember this is monthly, so you can make that money, and then that's monthly. Okay, I'm going to show you more about the pay structure in a little bit here. So yeah, you're going to join in here, and then when they get to that, you're going to be going to this site, the sales page. Let's go over 3 tips. You're going to watch this video. You're going to activate your account. The sales funnels are in there, and with the team that you're going to be on with me, everything is already set up for you. If you want to, you can take it to a new level and take it to an advanced level. But a lot of people, if you're a beginner, I mean, guys, I've never seen anything like this in 10 years of affiliate marketing, and I can't believe this exists. And they just launched a whole new thing, which I might be able to get to today. It's the titanium level. Done for you email follow-up, so they'll follow up if you don't have your own. Traffic Rotator is huge. It's the business for 4 or something like that, but your people are just going to be placed under you regularly. They're just going to be placed under you. Okay, so it's a really great way to like make your money back really, really fast. Training sites, it's in 140 plus countries. A lot of people will say, hey, I can't promote this in my country. Well, you can this. Right, so it's in 140 countries. It's almost all the way around the world, and it's still growing. And they pay every Wednesday, which means all the work is done for you. Simply share and earn. So let's go ahead and click to activate, and then this will be your activate site. Okay, so you fill in your information and just go from there. Okay, so here's the Savings Highway Global training, and then I'm going to show you the R Groups training. Everything you need to do to grow your SGC business. This is the new thing that's actually happening today. $1,000. I mean, they're just giveaway bonuses. I just got $1,000 with groceries and gas cards today. So was it worth $20? Yeah. With that alone, it's worth. I don't know. I just can't even. There's just too many numbers. There's too many things going through my head. All right. So you're going to be really excited about this new titanium thing as well. So how to make $7,000 per month in 7 weeks. It's interesting because that is happening for lots of people. So come down here and well, I guess this will be after you. No, I think I can get this to you. I'm going to go ahead and send this into the, maybe in the description. And right here, if you want to sign up, just go to that, the website that's right somewhere. Big savings, big money, because it's about savings and money. All right. So refer 3 members for your first week and give them and help them save money. What's one thing, I wonder if it's on here anymore, but their big mission statement is like helping millions of families be financially abundant, which I think is really cool because that's my mission. I just want to see people be financially free. I work with a lot of young adults with my nonprofit, and to have a group of young adults, instead of having massive amounts of college debt, instead having something that can make them $7,000 a month completely passively, and these recurring commissions, these subscription commissions, that is true passive income. What are you doing next month to be making the subscriptions you've locked in today? Nothing. Okay. And then you can actually help the people who are underneath you start making more money. So join, save money, help 3 people earn money and save money, and that's it. Okay. So there's the matrix, and then there's the line, and then there's, well, I'll get into all that probably in the next video. 3 active referrals totally qualifies you for monthly team matrix income. So here's the matrix income. 3 referrals, 25%. So right away you get this like startup jump start. So if you are in the platinum level, if you get someone to sign up at the platinum level, which is $100, you'll automatically get $50 just like that. And that's a decent, like that's a decent commission right there. And after that, it's 25%. So $25 a month after that. Okay, so you're going to want to encourage your people to sign up for the $100 platinum one. With the gold, it's still incredible. Like, look at this. If you have 3 people, $15 a month. If you have this many people, which means they are under your line as well, and this one goes down to 10 levels, the other one goes down to 12. So here's the executive matrix. Okay, look at how much. I mean, this is unrealistic. That's if all these people signed up with the platinum level. But some people are making $1 million a month. Okay, what they're saying is about 40% of people who come and join will do the platinum. So 40% of $4 million is still quite a bit of money. Just imagine what you'd be able to do if you put your full time and full heart into this and just making a lot of money. So if the people are buying the gold one, which is only $20 a month, it's that 20% direct for 10 personals. And personals means if you sign them up, because they're actually adding people to your line as well. It's just crazy. I just can't believe that I didn't see this before. So your 7K system, I'm going to go ahead and just open these up. I don't even know if I'm allowed to be showing you these things. So let's go to the back office of Savings Highway Global. This is your back office. I signed up, I think, in March, and I haven't really done anything with it until this morning, because until yesterday, because they had a huge webinar last night. Hundreds of people on this thing just waiting. Oh, look, I got a commission. Someone must have put somebody underneath me. All right, well, I'm getting $10 a month. Look at that. Did I do anything? No. All right, so another sign up. So yeah, here's the Savings Highway Global back office. You'll have your website, so your link, training site and videos, and you'll have live webinars. You'll join the Facebook group. They've got a YouTube channel. I mean, it's just everything's on here. Then your savings benefits. So if you join in with Titanium, you're going to be having even more savings. Healthcare for businesses. So if you have a business, this is the same thing. Lowering your bills. And a lot of times Savings Highway Global will have people that will contact your bills, like your people that you have bills to, and they'll talk it over with them for you. The Platinum VIP Facebook group, which I'm in, domains and hosting, leads and clicks, marketing system. I mean, it's crazy. I haven't even had time to really go through all this stuff yet. So I'm actually going to save on the Zoom thing. I got to figure that out. There's just so much that you're going to be overwhelmed when you start. But these guys make a lot of money, and they want you to make a lot of money. So if you sign up with me, with big savings, big money, you're going to be able to just jump right into Savings Highway Global, this members area. Now, this is not Savings Highway Global. This is a group of affiliate marketers who have been just high level, making hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars. And this is the team and this is the training, right? So you'll come in here, you'll have this welcome video, the overview of the back office, overview of the process, how to get started, just easy as 1, 2, 3, just these 3 steps. And you'll have your affiliate links, you'll have all these things. So even if you're just like a stay-at-home mom and just want to make a little bit of extra money or just save money, I showed you already how much you could be making in savings, but you'll be able to get a link specific to you that you can just post on Facebook. If someone clicks that, Savings Highway Global will notice that it's from your account, and then they'll start adding those people to your line. It's crazy. If you've ever done an MLM, you'll see like you have to do a lot of hard work. This is nothing. My wife's had a couple MLMs in the past and they did well, but this is just something different, guys. This is just something different. So here are the basics. This will just show you how you go through and save your money step by step. And then joining our team, you'll get into the Facebook group of all of us high-level affiliate marketers, and Teachable Tuesday, which is their thing on, which is our thing on Facebook. Online marketing basics, so they'll teach you step by step how to market this stuff. If someone is underneath, if you refer somebody, then this is the training on what to send them, like word for word, copy paste. And this is for the advanced users who have their own sales page, which I do. And then this thing, I want to show you this, the Power of 4 Rotator and marketing system. This is another system that they will put people in your line. Like they'll just put them there. They'll just put them there just to get you started, because everybody wants everybody underneath them to succeed. Right. So if I have like 500 people underneath me, I'll give you 3 right away, right, to get you to these levels and to help make me money, right? And the cool thing is I can totally get behind this. I grew up very, very poor. Well, at least in the beginning of my young marriage, right? Inheriting $136,000 of school debt. The monthly payment was $2,100 a month because they were all private loans. Some of them, I think, were at 19% interest. So we accrued $6,000. So it was $124,000 or $125,000, and we accrued another $6,000. So it made $131,000. I don't remember. But it's a big deal. And so these types of things, especially for people who have gone to college, still don't know what they want to do, people who are just staying at home. Like, can you imagine stay-at-home dads, stay-at-home moms retiring your spouse, or telling your girlfriend, hey, you never have to work again, we got this, or join me in this process and let's double our impact? Come on. I'm telling you, for couples, this is the one for you. And there's always motivation stuff here. It's just an amazing program. So yeah, I think this is a thing that I signed up, but I'm going all in on this. I apparently already have someone signed up. So that'll be $5 a month from that one person, $10 right off the bat. But this is a person that I'm going to contact, and I'm going to teach him how to do all these things as well, so that his line will make me money. So I'm going to go ahead and do a training on this step by step. I want to show you the basics of the compensation plan. So as you can see why I would want to switch over to this program. I've promoted a lot of things. I've done affiliate marketing for a lot of companies, but I think I found like the one. When you're finding that book, like you don't really, all these other books kind of bore you, and then you find that like one book, and it's like, that's my book. That's my thing. That's my thing. This is my thing. I am desperate to help people save money. That just brings me so much joy and purpose. So join me on this pilgrimage. Big savings, big money. Hop in there, and then I'll be contacting you pretty much right away, and then you can reach out to me as well. But let's go make some money, guys. Money's not a bad thing. Money is a good thing. Money means freedom. So this is what a lot of people, the love of money is the root of all evil. I get that. I'm just going to be serious right now. I didn't love money more than ever, except for when I was really poor. My mind was constantly money, money, money. I was obsessed with it. I got to get money. We got to pay these bills. Give me a break. It's not the rich people who just love money, right? Who just want to have more money. It's everybody needs money, because money means freedom.